Hey guys, today is a special day for me because I'm cooking something I really like, something I really enjoy. It's like a treat. It's Atlantic blue crabs, jumbos. Okay, I'm cooking them with corn, and I'm gonna have some smoked sausage in there, and I'm cooking it with Old Bay and some old Jamaican red stripe beer. I think you're gonna enjoy this. It's so good. Check it out. I think you'll like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button now. And hit that icon so that you know when the new videos come out. All right, let's get to it. All right, here's the ingredients that I put in my crab boil. There's Zatarain's crab boil bag, a Zatarain's crab boil liquid, Old Bay, and Jamaican red stripe beer. The reason I use a Jamaican red stripe beer is because it's strong. So I want to make sure that the beer taste goes through. I'm telling you, it's good. Doesn't taste like beer. It's very flavorful. Old Bay, I think, makes a liquid boil, but I didn't see it when I went to get this. So it's pretty much about the same ingredients. All right, let's get started. First thing you do is bring out the old turkey fryer, okay? And that's what we're going to use to boil our crabs. Now you get your fire going. Ghetto Grillin style. Put your pot on top of that with your water, and you want to let it come to a nice little boil, and then you start adding in your seasonings. I'm gonna put in 3 bottles of the Red Stripe Man. Irie. No pressure, no problem. Jamaican beer. All right, now that we got a boil going, we can start adding in our seasonings. We're gonna start with the Jamaican Red Stripe beer. One. Two. And 3. Then we're gonna grab our Zatarain's crab boil bag, toss that in there. Then we're gonna take our Zatarain's liquid crab boil, drop that in there. Oh, now we're cooking. Then we're gonna take our Old Bay, and we're gonna bust the Old Bay about a half a can up in that bad fella. About a half a can. Ooh-wee, that's gonna be some good eating. All right, we got a half a can up in there. Now, one more I forgot, and I brought out the Tony Chasas. Gonna put some Tonys up in there. We're gonna put about a can of Tonys up in there. Ooh, man. Can you taste it? Can you just taste it? We're gonna let that boil for a minute, and then we're gonna put the crabs in. Excuse me. Then we're gonna put the corn in first, and the sausage, then the crab. All right, now we're gonna put in the corn and the sausage, smoked sausage. Now that's going to cool it down a little bit, so you got to let it come back up to a boil, and meanwhile all of those seasonings will be getting into your corn and your sausage. But that's what you have to do. So it's cooled down a little bit now, but it will heat back up. And then after that, it'll be time for the crabs. About 10 minutes. Now it's time for the main guests for the party. The blue crabs. Ooh, look at the size of them bad boys. There it is. Somebody trying to get away. I'm not having it. I got it all filled up on the first bag, and I still got 2 more bags to go. You sprinkle the Old Bay on top. So that way every bite you get some Old Bay on it.